The optimized dashboard is a real game changer. It uses AI to generate fast, actionable suggestions so you can regularly enhance Finn's performance in a few clicks instead of hours of investigation. And it doesn't just show you what to improve, it shows you how. And in many cases, does it for you. Let's walk through it. When you're optimizing by resolution rate, you'll see conversations broken down by query type. Let's start with content gaps. This shows you where Finn routes conversations to a human agent specifically because it could not find the relevant answer in your help content. Queries of this type are called informational queries, and these are usually the easiest to fix, since it's only about making sure that Finn has the right knowledge to respond accurately. Next, data gaps highlight where Finn couldn't handle personalized queries because it didn't have access to the external data that it needed, like information about the customer's accounts from Stripe or Shopify, to answer questions specific to the customer like, am I eligible for an upgrade or did my payment go through? You could fix this by connecting Finn to the right data sources using data connectors. And then action gaps highlight moments when Finn was asked to do something like process a payment or update account details or make a refund decision, but it couldn't do it, resulting in a handoff to a teammate. And you can enable Finn in these situations by setting up tasks to handle these processes. Let's focus on content gaps. You can see there were 300 informational queries that Finn still routed to teammates. Typically, it would be up to you to drill into these conversations one by one and figure out how to close these content gaps, but not anymore. AI has generated several suggestions that we can follow to enable Finn to answer these questions in the future. The queries are grouped by topic and sorted by total handling time. That way, you can prioritize changes that will have the biggest impact on your team's workload. And when you drill into a topic, you'll see subtopics and the suggestions related to them. For informational queries like these, suggestions might include creating a new article or editing existing help content so that Finn can answer more effectively. Here, we've got a few suggested edits to an article that will help Finn answer questions on a specific topic. Let's click and go straight to that article. And as you can see, it doesn't stop us showing you where the gaps are, it fills them for you. In green, you'll see new content the system has written to improve the article. And in red, you'll see what's recommended for removal. Precise, actionable recommendations that you can accept with a single click. You're not just being told what's wrong, you're being told exactly how to fix it. But as powerful as these AI suggestions are, you stay in control. You can accept them, tweak them if you need to, or dismiss them if they aren't right. And also, you can easily dive into conversations to understand why the suggestion was made in the first place and understand the issue that you're trying to fix. And the more you interact with these suggestions, the better your AI-powered suggestions will be. Now, resolution rate is one way to measure success, but even resolved queries can lead to poor customer experiences. That's why the optimized dashboard also lets you focus on CX score. This is great for reviewing conversations that were resolved, but still went on to receive a low CX score. And you can see what went wrong and what in the customer journey you can improve. Previously, unless the customer filled out a CSAT survey, you would have no reason to believe that the customer had anything less than a really positive experience here. But because CX score is AI generated for every conversation, we don't miss a thing. You can drill in by topic and subtopic here and review the conversations driving the result. Maybe the resolution was technically correct, but the process felt frustrating for the customer. That could be a chance to add a task or refine Finn's guidance in similar conversations. And you can also look at high-scoring conversations to see what's working and apply those insights to areas where performance is weaker. The optimized dashboard makes optimizing Finn fast and effortless. See what's working, what isn't, and action valuable insights in just a few clicks to see improvements fast.